7 genius truths to stop wasting time and build your life now. You are waiting for motivation, for the perfect day, for the right time, for the fear to subside, for the chaos to settle, for a sign. You are in a holding pattern, circling an airport called someday, and your precious fuel, your time, is silently, relentlessly bleeding away. This is not an existence. This is a postponement. But what if the very things you blame, the lack of feeling, the emptiness, the chaos, are not obstacles, but the raw materials? The ancient Stoics, from the emperor Marcus Aurelius to the freed slave Epictetus, did not have calmer lives. They had wars, exile, betrayal, and plague. Yet they spoke not of surviving, but of building. They understood that a life of meaning isn't found. It is constructed. And the construction starts now in the storm. 7 timeless wisdom. 1. You don't find time. You seize it. Seneca said we are frugal with money, yet lavish with time. The one commodity we can never earn back. Every moment you complain of being busy is a moment surrendered. The builder picks up the hammer, even if only for 5 swings. 2. The obstacle is not the path. It is the path. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. Laziness isn't a monster to slay. It is the initial resistance in the engine. Your friction is where traction begins. Press against it." 3. Stop pleading with your mind. Command it. Your feelings are not your master. Epictetus taught that we are disturbed not by events, but by our judgments about them. The chaos out there is permission to build order in here, in your choices. Your focus, your very next act. 4. Your life is what you pay attention to. Your focus is your currency. To spend it on distraction, regret, or others' dramas is to bankrupt your own potential. The builder's gaze is fixed on the next brick, the straight line, the rising wall. 5. Mortality is your foreman, whispering, "Make it count. Remember you must die." This is not morbid. It is electrifying. It cuts through procrastination's fog. Is what you're doing now, this minute, worthy of your one irreplaceable life? 6. Discipline is freedom in disguise. The routine, the repetition, the grind, this is not a cage. It is the scaffold that allows your vision to rise above the chaos. To build anything lasting, you must first build the discipline to show up daily. 7. You are not building a monument. You are laying a floor. This is the genius truth. You are not aiming for a finished, perfect palace to admire. You are laying a foundation of character, action, and reclaimed time. Upon this floor, you will stand taller tomorrow, and the next day you will lay another. Stop waiting for the feeling. Stop asking for peace. Your life is not a waiting room. It is a construction site. The materials are in your hands, this day, this hour, this moment of decision. Pick up the tool. Lay the stone. Build. Like, share, comments, and follow for more.